Welcome, my beautiful and wonderful friends. My name is Jose. I'm the admissions counselor here at Catholic Pacific College, and we're going to take you on a beautiful tour of this wonderful place.
And my name is Scott Roy, and we're just honored to be able to be here with you over the internet. Despite the obstacles that we're facing right now, we're going to overcome those, and we're going to take you on a tour of our place and introduce you to Catholic Pacific College. Come on in, let's go.
Alright, so as soon as you walk into our college, on the left you will find the admissions office. It is the office of Scott Roy, and it is the office of yours truly. Yes, that is two last names, and yes, I am Hispanic. So I speak Spanish, I'm here to serve you as well. So we're here to help you in English or Spanish with whatever questions you may have. Admissions related, course registration, what's the best type of hot sauce to go on your nachos? We got your back. If you take 3 steps forward, you will come to the office of our academic dean, Dr. Andrew Kaitler. Hard to pronounce, nobody can pronounce it. You can call him Dr. K. He's a great guy. He loves to work out, so he looks like a Spartan. He's a theologian and a very devout man. Beautiful, wonderful sense of humor. You can talk to him about anything. And in a little bit, he will introduce himself. And then you keep walking, you'll see this wonderful board here on your left, where you can find anything that's going on in maybe the next month or so. Talks, so social things, more educational things that you might be interested in. You want to go bowling, all of this information you can find here for community life. And if you take a little step further, you'll come to the office of Sherry Van Vliet. She's our office manager, and she is in charge of anything to do with the administration of this office. She arranges the socials for us. She cooks for you, the students, when you come for the socials at Catholic Pacific. She can help you with grades. She helps you with parking passes. Come to her. This is the door. You walk in here with a million problems. You walk out of here with a million solutions. And in a bit, she will introduce herself.
And this is where all the magic happens. This is our main room as well as our chapel room. But everything happens here. Anything from board games, Thanksgiving dinner, we do public lectures at night, your courses are taught here, and then at 11 a.m., the chapel time for the university, we convert this place into our own chapel for Mass. Now, you're gonna walk in here. When you first come here, you're gonna have a question. Who am I? Why am I here? What has God called me to be? And within these 4 walls, those kinds of questions are gonna be answered. I remember one time a student came in here and he said, I'm working on trying to come up with the best cinnamon bun recipe I can come up with. Is it okay if I use the kitchen area? What? Of course you can use the kitchen area, and I will gladly test those cinnamon buns for you. And he did, and they were wonderful. As a matter of fact, many students will come in here, they'll make cookies, muffins, you name it, and just trust me, we appreciate it. This is our staff and faculty kitchen. You'll often hear us or smell wonderful smells coming from the kitchen over here, and students are welcome to come on in, to grab some water, grab some coffee, and yes, of course, bake some wonderful treats for your professors and the staff here at the college.
Okay, and a few steps down from the kitchen, you will come into this room. This room we call the Red Room, for obvious reasons. This is the staff and faculty lunchroom where the staff and faculty have lunch. And this room also doubles as a smaller classroom, so you may have some classes in here in the Red Room. And here you may also have a faith study with our chaplain, Father Lawrence Donley. And directly across from Sherry's office, you will find the stairs. So many of our incoming students have said that they've been afraid to come downstairs. So I will quote none other than St. Pope John Paul II, "Be not afraid." He was referring to these stairs, my friends. Be not afraid to come down. The downstairs of CPC is always welcome to you. We have more offices here, other professors, the chapel, you can find the Blessed Sacrament. We have the lounge area where you can, of course, lounge and where all our socials happen. You're always welcome to come downstairs.
Here we are at the heart of CPC. Christ is at the center of all that we do here. All the studying, all the community, all the friendships and relationships that are born here. We're so grateful here at CPC to be able to have our Lord present 24 hours a day so that our staff, our students, our faculty can all come and make a visit whenever they have a moment.
Now that we're downstairs, I'm going to show you the student lounge. Here at the student lounge, we have some nice couches for you to lay on, take a nap in between classes if you wish. We have here the announcements that the Catholic Pacific Student Association wants you to know. Free food, volunteer opportunities, other things happening around for student life. You can find it all here. We also have a big kitchen area here for you to use at your leisure. And here is where every Wednesday we will make food for you. No, scratch that. Sherry will make food for you and I will compete with you for the food every Wednesday. And over there is our chaplain's office. Our chaplain is Father Lawrence Donnelly. You can meet with him for confession or spiritual direction. It'll happen right there.
And here is our final room we're going to show you today. Thank you so much for touring with us on the campus. This is our library / smaller classroom. We do hold some of our smaller classes here. Philosophy of the Human Person, Medieval Philosophy. This is our theological, philosophical library. As you can see, it's small, but we do have a number of theological works that will be a great benefit to your studies while here, especially in your courses that you take with us. But it's also a study area. Many times we'll see students with their laptops, their books, till late hours of the night, working hard and studying for their courses. And it really does finish off our home. Yes, as you can tell from the tour just around the outside of the building, it looks like a house, and that's because it is. But more than that, it's a home, and it's a home for so many students, staff, and faculty here at Catholic Pacific College, and we want to welcome you and invite you to be a part of this family.
Hello, my friends. We're outside now, and you can see here we have a bonfire pit. Here, students come together, another center for community life. Students come together, we have a big bonfire, you can have a barbecue, there's enough space, as you can see, to throw a frisbee around or play some soccer.